need to record first. So if we notice that when this person's talking, I mean, when we are entering the church, we can see that so many stained glass. Like the windows are so colorful that they're creating a painting but using a glass. That's why we call it stained glass technique, okay? But today we're not going to make the real stained glass. We're going to paint and we're going to use the stained glass. We're going to apply the stained glass technique into our drawing, all right? So today we're going to learn about how to draw people face first. As you know that this one is the face of a person, okay? See that this one looks so angry and some maybe look so funny like this one. As you can see that there is two eyes on the left and the right side, and in the middle we have what? A nose, and then we also have a mouth and the ear on the left and the right side like this one. And then sometimes they have also the hair like this one. That's why that this makes all people so unique, because they have their own eye shape. What? Sorry. Okay. Yeah, we're going to draw some people face like this one. Okay. On this learning, I mean, on this lesson, I want you to just free your mind. No need to feel like, oh my goodness, Mr. Al, this is so hard. I think we cannot draw the face. No, just put away all of this, their doubt thinking. I want you to be more confident, okay? I don't care whether your drawing is good or not, unless you guys trying, okay? You have to try your best to draw your own drawing without your mommy or your nanny or your daddy's helping you, okay? I'm quite sure that I believe that you guys all are very good in drawing people face. Okay, now we're going to analyze the people face first, okay? This is drawing made by somebody. As you can see that all of this picture providing the very clear information on how to draw the face. We have two eyes on the left and the right side. We have two eyebrows. We have a nose at the middle of the face, and we have the mouth, and later we're going to draw the ears. And actually, even long time ago, we already learned how to draw people, right? We started with the U letter, and then with the left ears and right ears and something like that, and then we create some people face and we draw people in action, even complete with the neck, with the body, and then with the hand. Okay, now it's time for us to start to draw the people, okay? And then we're going to color it using stained glass technique like this later on. Actually, this one is similar also with last time we discussed about Van Gogh art style, and then this one is a little bit similar with that. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to start to draw. Ready? I want you to prepare your paper. So your paper first, and then yeah, I'm going to ask Elbrus to be our host after this one, so that we can have a lot of time to yeah. Okay, we're going. Wait. Make a host. Okay, good job. Right, now we start to draw the people face first, okay? Okay, I want you to be confident with your marker. Show me your marker, please, first, guys. Good job. Thank you. Yeah. Then I want you to draw your face. I know that this one is very hard. Mr. Al, I cannot draw my face even like very similar with a very detail and everything. No, I want you to just only try. Okay, if you boys, means that your hair not be more longer than your ears. Okay, if you girls, you can draw your hair later on to be more longer than the boys. Okay, as usual, we're going to draw a face first, like that. Okay, just remember, don't scared to make mistake. Okay, people make mistake. It's okay with this not similar with our face. Yeah. And then as usual, we draw the ears on the left side and the right side. Draw the ears a little bit bigger, please, and longer, like that. And then make the head a little bit more oval like that. And then, okay, Aleta, can you follow me? If you have any question, guys, you can open your microphone and just raise your hand. And Mr. R, just interrupt me directly. If you have any question, just ask me, okay? Mr. R, this one is too fast. I cannot follow you. Like that, ya. Aleta bisa gambar ini, oval. Can you draw like oval like this first? Okay, if you guys have any question, please ask me. Or else I cannot monitor, I cannot see your progress. Yes, Glenn, but that one is too small. I want you to draw it bigger. Okay, Glenn, you can repeat it one more time. I can wait for you then. Nico, gimana? Coba lihat. Can you? Okay, good job, Vio. Ares, how is it, Ares? Are you done? Yeah, keren. Nico and Ares, you have showing a best effort. And Devanka, good job. How about you, Abia? Show it your drawing. Elbrus juga keren. Wow, panjang banget. Mukanya nggak apa-apa. It's okay. How about Adrian? Adrian, can you show me your drawing, please? And Leandra, mana? Ya, Adrian kupingnya agak panjang sedikit, nggak apa-apa. Dipanjangin sedikit. Coba Leandra mana? Can you show me your drawing, please, Leandra? Okay, good job. Yeah, it looks like a boy, but later we're going to draw the yeah. Aleta bisa? Okay, now we have to draw the eyes, yeah. Eyes is between this line, between the line of the ears, left and right. Okay, I'm going to draw the eyes. Okay, not too big and not too small, but medium size like this. Okay, as we know that just now we played the video of stained glass history, that long time ago people make stained glass to decorate the church, to decorate their house, and as a part of the art itself. Okay, draw two eyes already good. Done, Abia and Devanka. Okay, now we have to try to draw the eyes in the middle of the big oval shapes of the eyes like this. Okay, after this one, put your one finger like this to make a space of the eyebrow. I'm wrong. If you're wrong, if you make mistake, please modify. Okay, I put my hands one finger like that. Yes, correct. It's okay, Devanka. You put your hands as a space, and then you will draw the eyebrow on this part like that. Put one finger as your space to draw your eyebrow like that. One finger. I know that this one is very hard because this one is our first time drawing the face exactly like realistic one, but this is just only trial. People make mistake. Even Mr. Al is not really good. It's okay. Good job, Adrian. Good job, Ares and Fio. Tori, how is it? If you have any problem, just raise your hand and ask me, Mr. Al, I cannot do this one. Okay. Elbrus, how is it? Have you draw your eyes already? Wow, even Elbrus can do it, guys. Oh my God, so cool. Thank you so much, Elbrus. Now we have to draw the nose, yeah? This one is a bit hard, but I want to make it more simple, okay? Nose is actually like this. You draw like this first. Okay, I'm just trying to make it more simple like that. It's like what, yeah? It's like a caterpillar or what? Like that. And then, okay. And then we're going to draw another round on this part, like that. Okay, this is our first time. Next time I'm going to make our drawing even more better than this one. But to just try to make it more simple. Yeah, it's okay, Adrian. I like it. It's okay. Nothing is wrong. Nothing is correct. Nothing is, yeah, everything just okay in art. Okay. Now I want you to draw okay, actually right in these two nose, you can draw some like a mountain shape like that. On our things like this one, like what we call it in English, I don't know. But after the nose, we have two lines, yeah, at the top of our lips. And you can create like a mountain shape like this one. And then you can, yeah, just draw the line after that. Yeah, like a mountain. And then, okay, I'm going to do it slowly. I'm going to connect this line into this line, the left and the right side. I connect it like that. And ta-da, we're now done with drawing our, yeah, face. It looks so weird, but it's okay. Good job, Devanka. How is it, Abia? Can you show us also your drawing? Yeah, good job, Abia. Now it's time for us to draw the hair. Yeah, good job, Fio, like that. Yeah, it looks so scary and weird even, yeah? But it's okay, it's not the point. The point is we learn how to draw the eyes, eyebrow, nose, and mouth. Even though that the drawing are not very good and look so good, but that is not our goal. Our goal is only like expressing ourselves to draw the people. Now, this bald head, there is, I mean that there's no hair on this head, right? I want you to draw something like this first to separate that this is the area of the hair later on.
Not too much.
Draw it like that, like people wearing the headset. But actually, this one is the area of our hair later on. So the hair needs to be on the outside of our head's line on this part. Okay. If you are boys like Nico, you can put something on this part. Nico ada poninya, right? And then you can just ask something like this one. Yeah. Kalau Glenn kan baldy, and then you can just, yeah, just draw your hair like that. Yeah, just put something like this. If you are girls, just do your. I need your creativity now to draw the hair, the front side of your hair. Okay, like Leandra kan ada poninya. You have the pony on at the top, right? You can just write the pony like that at the forehead of your. Yeah, it's okay. Good job.
Can I make my own human?
Yes, Glenn, you can make your own face. It means that you only have a little bit hair on this part. This one, I draw Nico's hair. If you want to draw a girl, just try to draw the, oh yeah, I want you to draw the neck first. Draw the neck a little bit more longer like this one. Yeah. How is it, Tori? You have any problem, Tori? No? Okay, good. Next will be Rachel also. Good job. Now I want you to draw the body on this part.
I'm trying to make my shirt.
Yeah, you can create your own skirt. In this case, if you draw like Glenn, you can just draw something like this on this part.
Can we just draw it in here? Is there no in here?
Yeah, can. Is it like this? If you have any question, just ask me, okay? Wow, Adrian looks so cute. I mean, looks so weird, but it's okay. Yeah, Ares and Theo, good job. Yeah, all right. Now, this is the point that we learn of today, okay? We learn about stained glass. It means that we're going to turn this drawing into a stained glass technique. This is how you do it, okay? Use your marker and divide all the things like this. Oh, can I borrow some marker, please? Wait. I'm going to divide everything like a stained glass. And then I'm going to divide this part, this kind of things. I'm going to cut.
Oh, it's like cubism.
Yeah, it's like cubism. Okay, like that. I'm going to divide everything. I mean, I'm going to cut into a slice of like made from glass. And I'm going to color all the things differently later on. So we just learned about what? Anyone have their own opinion about what is the thing that we learned just now?
Stained glass.
Yes, stained glass. We're going to repeat the stained glass again next time, yeah? See that? This one is like the painting, I mean like the stained glass that stick on the church wall.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Yeah. Don't worry if it is not nice. We just try. I don't care that the result is good or not. I don't really care. I just care that you all try your best. Adrian, yeah, good job like that. Even though there's so many lines, it's okay. Now you have to color all the lines with different color. Yeah, you can use watercolor or you can use a crayon. Up to you. This one, yeah, we're not going to send this one to join the competition. No, we will just only try it our best. Okay, Adrian, now it's time for us to color all these things. I'm going to start with pink. I have pink, this one. I'm going to color the area of this, okay, the chin. I'm going to color it with pink and some other pink on this part.
Oh, the skin can be also any color, yeah?
Yeah, guys, if you have any question, just ask me. I will be so glad to answer it.
Okay, everything could be any color.
Yeah, Glenn, again? Sorry, again, I cannot hear you.
It's cubism.
Yeah, it's like cubism, but actually this one is stained glass that we are pretending we are applying the stained glass on our drawing like this. Yeah, I think we need to cut it more. We need to make some more slice on everything, but not too much. If you put too many slice, it will be so confusing then. Yeah, this one. Okay, I'm going to color.
Oh, so one piece is one color, yeah?
Yeah, it will be so many colors then later on. It will be easy if you use highlighter or marker, because if you use crayon, it will be so, yeah, tiring. Okay. So while I'm using pink, I'm not going to, yeah, I will just use this pink for some places.
It's okay, right? There's white space because this one is finished.
Yeah. Like that, and then I'm going to add another more. Okay. Stained glass technique means that we applying a slice or we make a pattern, not I mean a random pattern like this one, and then we try to color everything as best as we want, and at the end you will see that the result will be so cool. Elbrus, warnain setiap bidang yang ada di sini dengan beda warna ya. At this time we are ignoring the gradation technique because maybe if you're using gradation it will be so exhausted, overwhelmed. Just use, if you want to make it more faster you can use watercolor. Watercolor is a bit tricky, it's more easier and tricky actually. You can save your time, you can save your energy by using watercolor. Okay, I'm going to color this part with next week we're going to make some 3D sculpture. And I'm going to send your mommy or your daddy the materials that they need to need to buy later on. Kita mau bikin bangunan dari popsicle stick. Kita juga mau bikin bangunan dari playing card, dari domino card. And it is fun. You can learn about dimension, learn about sculpture, learn about form, and everything later on. Okay, this is a fun part for me because I can color everything.
As great as you want.
Yeah, I just choose any color I want. There is no specific, there is no specific border. There is no limitation. I can use any color I want. I like every color. I don't feel like, no, I only like red or blue. No, I like every colors because colors makes us realize that life is so wonderful. If you can if you can work with so many colors in your life. Right, this one? Wow, now it looks more. I colored the eyebrow with blue. And some of the blue on Wales part,
Nothing is limited.
Yeah, nothing is limited. You have to make it more, just free yourself. I'm going to unmute everyone so we can have productive noise. Yeah. So I want to open all the speakers. I want you guys to just talk with your friend, and then maybe we can share our idea together. Oh yeah, Elbrus, can you help to open the microphone, please? Oh my goodness, we are running out of time.
Itu kan warna ini tadi.
Ya oren makanya.
Iya.
Ya nanti pakai warna itu. Ini dulu penuhin. Suruh mandi tak sini apa?
Ata, Nevanya suruh mandi.
Ayo, siapa yang disuruh mandi? Ya, teman-teman, Elbrus ini di Serbia ya, Kak ya?
Ya, Leandra juga di Serbia. Ini temannya aku.
Mereka ini di sana masih pagi, makanya mereka baru pada mandi. Lah, kita di sini di Indonesia udah jam 2, udah hampir jam 3. Iya. Udah mau mandi sore. Bruce bilang papi disuruh apa? Buat Mr. Al jadi hostnya dong.
Pakai redstone-nya.
Iya, ini Papa Aldi nggak bisa, kita tetap 40 menit. Nah, jadiin aku hostnya dong. Iya, papanya Elbrus mau jadiin Mr. Al jadi hostnya lagi. Biar bisa open semua mikrofon so we can have a productive noise later. Leandra juga di Serbia ya. Baru bangun tidur sepertinya, baru mandi, masih seger. Di sana lagi musim apa, Leandra? Papa Aldi bantu jadi Mr. Al jadi host lagi dong. Oke.
Lagi musim panas.
Musim panas ya. Oke. Niko gimana, Niko? Sudah dalam tahap mewarnai belum?
Udah.
Udah, ya udah. Boleh pakai krayon, boleh pakai marker ya, teman-teman. Nanti setelah ini kita akan presentasi ya. We still have on like 7 minutes more. Masih ada 7 menit lagi. Dan minggu depan kita akan mulai mencoba menggunakan Google Meet supaya waktunya bisa lebih lama. Teman-teman, kayaknya nggak buru-buru jadinya ya.
Buru-buru.
Buru-buru, siapa yang ngomong buru-buru? Buru-buru. In English we call it hurry. We are hurry, right? Hurry. Oh yeah, I use whatever. Hurry. Okay, I'm going to open a microphone.
Ini kalau enggak ini aja.
Ya, teman-teman boleh berkenalan ya, boleh saling bicara. Sekarang misalnya udah buka mikrofonnya. Kalau mau kenalan misalnya, Hai Aleta, kamu tinggalnya di mana? Where's your house?
Oh, yang mana lagi? Yang di warna. Belum warna. Pelan-pelan.
Mr. Al itu temennya Mr. Al itu papanya push.
Pelan-pelan.
Push.
Oke, misalnya mau share gambar-gambar
Itu green.
di
Itu black.
mana maksudnya?
Green.
Di beberapa tempat.
Enggak black.
Ini adalah contoh
Udah, nanti green
ya.
pakai ini. Ini hijau tuh bang. Folder yang ini warnanya.
Gambar salib ya. Udah merusak.
Dan sampai kena yang objeknya.
Ya.
Oh, apa?
Lihat, ini stained glass, teknik yang dipakai oleh beberapa seniman untuk menggambar atau painting.
Apa ini ada yang ini tadi belum?
Oke.
Terus misalnya, ya kan?
Siapa sih itu? Suaranya siapa sih? Rachel ya? Aku dengar suaranya loh. Nggak apa-apa, Tori jangan dimatiin, biar Rachel ngomong. Tawanya lucu. Siapa lagi? Aleta gimana? Bisa? Ya, nanti di akhir, at the end of our lesson, I want you guys to indicate or to tell or to mention what is the thing that you learn from this lesson. Yeah, for example, what's wrong with Rachel? Okay, like for example, hi, my name is Mr. Al. From this lesson, I learned about how to draw people face and how to draw eyes, how to draw the eyebrow, the nose, and the mouth, and the hair and everything. And I also learned about the color, and I also learned how to make my drawing look interesting using stained glass technique. Ya, Adrian nanti harus presentasi di terakhir ya. Adrian, apa yang Adrian rasain? Are you feel happy with your drawing or not? And then what else? Maybe you have a problem. You can share your problem with us, so we can get inspired by you, and we will make things better in the future.
Nggak boleh.
Oke, sambil menunggu waktunya sisa 2 menit lagi. Nanti setelah ini selesai, waktunya teman-teman boleh log in lagi, and then Mr. A will be so happy to listen up to all of your guys' concept behind your drawing. This is the pink one. Yeah, just put it here. Yes, okay. Ouch. Kakak Elbrus gimana gambarnya sudah? Wah, bagus banget. Warnanya banyak ya. Iya, belajar. Hari ini Kakak Elbrus belajar banyak warna. Dedenya imut banget itu Elbrus. Pasti kayak boneka ya, di belakangnya ada baterainya. Kayak boneka. Kakak Niko gimana?
Lagi.
Iya, so far so good. Ayo Kakak Niko harus lebih rajin ya, karena sebentar lagi udah mulai naik kelas berapa?
Udah naik kelas 4.
Kelas 4, iya. Kelas 4 itu pasti ekspektasinya Kakak Niko harus menggambar orang atau sesuatu lebih realistik. Jadi Kakak Niko harus banyak latihan menggambar di waktu holiday ini, di waktu libur ini. Makanya program ini memang dibuat buat teman-teman supaya tetap produktif walaupun kita dalam masa libur ya. Kakak Aleta, wah banyak banget pensil colornya. Iya, terus diwarnain Kakak Aleta biar melatih tangannya, otot tangannya supaya lebih fleksibel, supaya lebih mahir nanti dalam menulis atau membuat kaligrafi atau painting. Ya, jadi nanti kalau habis libur kalian sudah siap masuk sekolah lagi. Wow, misalnya udah nggak sabar pengen masuk sekolah lagi ketemu murid-murid.